Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make sweet date paste as a natural sweetener for many purposes. So I've soaked 1 cup of dates in water and I've covered them with water and soaked them for at least 8 hours, and I actually soaked them overnight. And now I'll put them in the blender. They get blended with about half of the water they were soaked in. So I blend that for about a minute on high speed. So that's the end of making date paste, and it makes really nice sweet date paste that I use in smoothies, and particularly say chocolate smoothies with raw cacao, and it sweetens it naturally. Perfect for sweetening anything that you need to sweeten. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more great superfood smoothie recipes.